should you pay to promote your channel? Well, this is a tough question, so to decide, we're going to have a fight. In the red corner, we have no, you should not pay. And in the blue corner, we have yes, you should. Round 1, fight!
Are you mad? Why would you pay to promote your channel? If you're a small creator, you can't pump hundreds of dollars or pounds into content promotion unless you're rich, stupid, or your channel's making a ton of cash. And let's face it, most of them are not.
Good point, but if you're a business or you're using it as a marketing funnel to sell products, courses, or even if you're generating some revenue, you don't have to blast the whole internet with your ad. It can be very cheap and a great way of building awareness. Also, it's not just about new followers. On YouTube, you can advertise to people who have subscribed to your channel already to let them and them alone know your latest release is out. It will notify way more people than YouTube will. This will no doubt grow your watch time, and it's actually very cheap.
Yeah, but who's to say the videos you want to pay to promote are actually good enough to be seen? You don't want to promote videos that suck. YouTube is a learning process. Creators at the start of their journey need to master their content first.
Well, if you're getting a lot of comments like, that was a great video, it needs more views, or you're the only person who answered this question so I can understand it, and your videos are starting to appear in search, have high average view durations, and are getting shared and liked a lot compared to the small viewing figures you have, then these are all signs you're doing a great job and that actually your channel might be ready for the big time.
But if that's happening, then surely YouTube's algorithm will pick the videos up eventually and promote them for you. You need patience, not to throw money at the problem. Anyway, paying to promote your channel is too overwhelming. You've got to make a video ad, then put it on the Google ad platform, then work out the right people to show it to and drive people away from the videos they then want to watch to take them to the channel where there is a ton of choice. On YouTube, people discover channels through search and suggested views based on things they're already looking for. They might have an interest in your content, but if it's not that important to them at that exact point in time, then forget it. It's going to waste your money.
You're bang on there, sunshine. That's why inside the Google ad platform, there's a ton of excellent features. Did you know you could put adverts before specific videos, or only to appear on specific channels, or only in front of people who are searching for particular topics? You can be in the right place at the right time. We'll go more into that in another video, so hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. And yes, promoting your channel might be too broad if you just point them towards all of your videos to choose from. That's why you should promote your content, not your channel. Create a landing page you can send people to from the ads that gives them exclusive content. Something that teaches them or entertains. You can lock this behind an email wall and ask them to sign up to your regular updates to receive this locked content. And of course, on that page, you can always drive them back to YouTube. As competition hots up online, that email list will protect you from the algorithm changes, as you'll have full control of sending out new releases rather than YouTube.
Sounds confusing and expensive.
Nope, MailChimp gives you a free and easy solution to do this.
Are these new subscribers really that interested, or are they the kind of people who subscribe to anything?
Here's the issue, you won't know until you try it. What you don't want is subscribers leaving a lot, and you don't want your videos being put in front of your new subscribers and them not clicking on them because they don't care about your content, thus hitting your click-through rate and damaging your channel. Like most things in marketing, it's all about testing and measuring. YouTube gives you the tools to do this. Check out the place at the end to get to grips with that. But if you're not as experienced with paid ad, marketing, or building email lists, either learn through YouTube like we did, or stay patient, promote your content in free and effective ways, and wait for the growth. Personally, we're paying to promote at the time of presenting this. We're going to keep at it until we've got 1,000 subscribers, but the small amount it's bringing in is starting to become less relevant as our other content begins to rank for search terms and grow our channel on its own. So it's just a mini leg up and actually an experiment. If you want to learn how to land some knockout punches for your channel, then watch this playlist here. And if you want to learn about your analytics, then watch this video here. And of course, check out the link in the description to our email club. We'll email you once a week with all our latest releases so you never miss a thing. And finally, the magic button of destiny, guaranteed to bring you good luck for the rest of your life when you hit it, the subscribe button. Does not give you guaranteed good luck.